Math Podcast Series. So, I'm your host for today's episode, Casey, and we're diving into one of the weirdest but coolest numbers ever, zero.
Yes.
And real talk, have you ever wondered kung ano ba talaga yung zero? Kasi parang nandyan siya,
Oh,
parang wala at the same time.
yeah.
Sobrang gamit natin siya, pero does zero even really exist?
Ako nga, parang si Zero ang quiet friend
Mm.
ng mga numbers, di ba?
Okay.
Hindi mo pansin, pero ang daming nagagawa. Kung wala si Zero, sobrang iba ang math, even science.
Yeah.
In this episode, we're gonna talk about Zero's history. Kung bakit siya mahalaga sa math at kung paano niya binago ang mundo. Ready na ba kayo?
Yeah.
Let's go! So does really exist or it's just nothing? Let's find out.
Yes. Alright. So, konting history muna tayo. Alam niyo ba, nung unang panahon, wala talagang zero, as in, wala talaga siyang concept. Wala. Parang kayo. Ay, sorry.
Oh,
Naalala mo pa?
tama. So, ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, wala silang zero sa number nila. Sa kanila, numbers just started from 1. Walang empty, walang nothing.
Pero in ancient India, may mga mathematician na naisip, paano kaya kung may number na that means wala? So, they called it sunya, meaning nothingness. Eventually, naging zero ito, and it spread all over the world.
Pero bakit nga ba mahalaga yung zero? Sobrang dami ang gamit. Kasi sa math, zero isn't just nothing. Parang siya yung nagbabalance. Imagine this. Kung may 5 ka, tapos tinanggal mo yung 5, ano na lang natira? Ay, zero.
Zero.
Zero lang.
Yes, sa equation, si zero ang marker natin para sa balance or starting point.
Yes.
Kung walang zero, ang hirap mag-set ng beginning or baseline.
Yes. Example lang, kung nag-compute ka ng allowance or budget mo, zeros is like, wala ka ng pera, time to save again. Puro ka shopping, puro ka kung ano-ano.
Si zero rin yung ginagamit sa computers, di ba? Alam nyo ba na computers use binary code? Puro zeros
code.
and ones lang. Imagine, if wala si zero, wala ring internet.
Oo, ano may...
Diba?
At si zero din ang key sa algebra at equations. Kaya natin i-calculate yung unknowns because of zero.
Yes.
It lets us balance and solve for the x or unknown parts.
Ang cool, di ba?
Yeah.
Zero is small, pero ang laki ng impact niya sa math,
Totoo.
science at technology.
Oo. So, next time na makikita niyo si zero, isipin niyo na lang na hindi lang siya nothing. May halaga din siya.
Yes.
He's a balance and the start point. Parang quiet friend nga lang siya na may ambag.
And that's why zero is a total game changer in math.
Yup, it's the nothing that makes everything possible. Kung wala si zero, ang hirap isipin kung paano tayo magko-compute ng distance, time, money, lahat na guys. My God.
Yes, and that's all. Thanks for hanging out with us on today's episode of Math Series! Always remember, even the quiet numbers like zero can make a huge difference. See you next time!